Hello, welcome to Asiash Handmade channel. We are here with the 18th video of the Let's Crochet Together series. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the front post single crochet, also known as FPsc. This stitch adds a beautiful raised texture to your work, and it's often used for ribbing, cables, or decorative lines in crochet projects. Let's get started. Instead of inserting your hook into the top of the stitch like we normally do, we will insert it around the post of the stitch from the front. Insert your hook from front to back and then to the front again, wrapping it around the post of the stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You should now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's 1 front post single crochet completed. Let's repeat it once more. Insert your hook around the post from the front. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, and pull through both loops. I made this 3D snowflake with FPsc. You can find full pattern on my Etsy shop. Link in the description. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crochet tutorials.